internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Kawaii Box unboxing video, and I also apologize for the poor lighting today. I usually have an additional softbox to help balance the light, but I wasn't able to use it today, so hopefully the window light will be enough for you guys to see everything. Let's just zoom out a little bit. There we go. Okay, so this is Kawaii Autumn Adventure November. Awesome. Because we're in November right now. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. So let's just get right. Oh, look at this. This is so cute. And actually, there's a bit of weight to this. So, fork and spoon. I'm pretty sure this is meant for like little kids, but it is the cutest thing ever. I feel like I want to use this for like when I go picnicking. Because I do actually have a couple picnics planned this year. Given with everything going on, it just seems like a safer option than constantly eating at restaurants and stuff like that. But yeah, I don't know why there's like a certain weight to it. Oh, okay. I'm pretty sure it's plastic, but let me open it up. Okay. Oh, this is the cutest. I could take it to lunch, except I work from home at the moment, so like this would be something I would take to work. I'm curious about the prints though. I don't know like whether they rub off over time as you eat, and so are you just basically eating the paint. But yeah, this is so cute. I love it. Then I think this is a little Sumiko Gurashi stamp. Sanex. Let me open this up. Yeah, it's definitely a stamp of this character. Maybe what I'll do is I'll test this out with the pen. I can test this one out. I'm pretty sure this is just generic black ink pen, but nothing special. And oh, okay, this makes sense. This is a plate that goes with this. This is just too adorable. It's so cute. I have so many friends with little kids that would probably love this, and yet is it weird that I don't want to give it to them because I want it for myself? It's so adorable. Oh my gosh, I love that. Okay, I just put aside some face masks, but there's a pack of 10 face masks. They look like the lightweight versions because I've been going through a couple different face masks recently, just trying to see which one's more comfortable, because I don't know if you guys know, but it is mandatory in Victoria to always wear a face mask unless you're like swimming, exercising, or eating. And so I have like tons of face masks all over, but this is so cute. I feel like I want to wear this out. I'm actually planning to see Violet in a couple weeks time, and I want to wear these when I see her because I think it would be so cute. And then we have some jelly candy. Oh my gosh, little panda paw candy, strawberry and blueberry flavored. That is so cute. Everything in this pack is so cute. I'm not gonna lie, I actually kind of like everything so far, even though it's not all very practical. Actually really liking this box. And then the last one are flake stickers, but they're like Alice in Wonderland. What am I saying? They're Alice in Wonderland stickers, and you can see the different designs. There we go. Yeah, it's the Disney inspired version. But let me just quickly open up these stickers because I feel like, okay, yeah, it's in this really cute pack. These are kind of like, reminds me of the vials that she would drink in the movie. Let's see if I can, I don't want to have to tear this open. Okay, it is just a snap lock close. Because I actually really like this packaging as well. But I just wanted to pull out one of the stickers to see what it was like. 3 stuck together. There we go. Oops, sticky. It is kind of like washi paper. It's semi-transparent. It's kind of, but not exactly the same thing. But yeah, that is so cute. All right, let's go try out that stamp and pen. Let's try out this stamp first because it is so cute. It's a screw enclosure, which is great because it'll keep the ink hopefully moist. Oh, okay, there we go. I'm really bad at stamping. I feel like I don't put even enough pressure, but that's very cute. And I think I actually have one of these from a previous box, except it's green stamp. Whoops. It's a green stamp somewhere, so that will pair. This is like a mermaid pen, and I'm guessing now it's just standard. Actually, it's quite light. It's standard black ink. The thing is, these pens are not actually bad. They write quite well. I do enjoy them, but they're just not as ergonomic as a proper, say, an Energel pen, which just feels really comfortable and you can write for long periods. These ones, like this whole scale pattern, is not comfortable hold long term, and so it's unfortunate because I feel like it's a good pen, it writes, but yeah. Alright, so then we have this one here, Rilakuma. Feel like this is a big marker, maybe? Yeah. Okay, it's a massive highlighter. Why so thick? It's literally just a really nice highlighter, but it's huge. I wonder if this... Let me check the thing if it comes in different colors. I don't know. I mean, the little note actually has it as a purple highlighter, so maybe this is the only one you get it in. It's a really nice highlighter. Just feels like a very odd thing to have because it's so big. But yeah, that is everything in November's Kawaii Box. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to the internet.